Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, the great Johnson Keys. Alright, so in today's lesson, I'd like to show you a very nice tritone move we always do in the key of we always do on our 736. We'll be in the key of F major. Right? So it goes like this, for you are great. Something like it. You do miracle so great. There is no like you. So what was I doing there? So normally our 736 in the key of F is E, A, and D. So we are supposed to just play you do miracle so great. But that was when the word was very simple. But now things are no longer simple. Okay, so we'll do a tritone move. So right. So what was I doing there? So after doing my 7 chord, for you are great one. After doing my 7 chord, so I'm gonna do something like this, which is a movement from E flat chord, but we have a B flat, E flat, and G, right? So that's gonna go all the way down to E major chord, all the way down to F major chord, and then you have C sharp and G tritone on the left. So pa pa pa, right? So then you go to your 6 with your C, E, F, and A on your left hand or your right hand. You still have your F major 7 there. Then you do another one from D major second inversion. You go from D major second inversion all the way to E flat, all the way to E major right chord, while having your B and F tritone on your left. So that goes pa pa pa. Then you do your E flat major 7 second inversion also. So E flat, so that's B flat, D, E flat, and G on your left. So you do B flat major chord on that, right? Then you go to your 1, right? Then you go to your 4. So that's that on that. If you want to get my intermediate piano course, don't forget to check the description of this video to get my intermediate course to learn better. You get everything you need. God bless you. Follow for more. Bye.